Hi friends, welcome to Victor's Reality. In today's video, I'm going to show you the #1 accessory you need for your Oculus Quest if you feel like this is a front heavy device and it's bothering you. This is a no-brainer. It's super cheap, multi-purpose use with this product. 100% guarantee it'll work. It works for me, and I truly believe it'll work for you. So let's begin. So a lot of people say the Oculus Quest is front heavy. You might think so also. I found the perfect product that will alleviate the front heaviness and disperse it and evenly distribute it. It will make the Oculus Quest way less front heavy, and you won't need to get any other accessory for this front heaviness purpose. Now there are a lot of products out there, from VRCOVERs to straps that you put around the head that everyone is promoting right now. Again, you can do what you need to do to make your Oculus Quest as comfortable as possible. But this is the cheapest and best product accessory that you can get for your Quest, costing next to nothing, and it's a multi-purpose, and I'll show you right now. This is a Sennheiser headband pad cushion repair part. This is it right here. I use these for all my headphones, and I use these for all my VR headsets.
Oh man, hey, come on, Vic.
Oops, oh sorry Murphy, I didn't mean to. As you can see, it's perfect, gets the job done. Look what happens. So, the Oculus Quest, as you can see, is front heavy. So what you do with this is it's perfect in the size of it. Let me show you right here. So you can see it fits perfect into it. Right there. See that? Right there. Perfect size. You can cut it if you need to, right here and up top, but it fits perfect. You get some double-sided tape. No Velcro needed. And right there. As you can see, perfect fit. See if the camera can pick it up. Right there. Put it, it will get the weight off your face and evenly put it up here. See, perfect size, and it won't introduce heat like all the other products are doing, where you put the strap from here. You don't need that product. All that is, literally, is you can make it yourself. You can get your curtain, cut it in a rectangle, put some Velcro on the sides, boom, same thing. This is a way better product because it doesn't introduce heat with the strap. You don't want heat, not with VR. Water is the enemy, you know, heat is the enemy. So you don't want to get that. This is what you want. Now they sell other ones, and all these links will be in the description below. They sell other ones if you're more prone to like, oh, I want to have my family try them on, you want to show friends and family. They have versions that are leather, where you can just wipe it clean. But this is a padded one. This is fabric material, as it's breathable. It's for better breathability. I prefer these because these feel a lot softer and better, but these are for individual people, not for like family use. The other one, which will be in the description below, and I'll show you in a bit right here. So as you can see, this is the best product for the Oculus Quest. You need to get it, guys. And let's just say you get it and it's not working out for you. You don't think it does anything. It does. If you get this product and you don't think it helps that much for you, because you prefer the strap or you prefer some other thing, you can also use it for headphones. As you can see, I use it for my headphones, and super soft, super comfortable. You can use it for all the other headsets, Rift and HTC Vive. I use it for those also. So this is what I believe is an accessory that you need for your Oculus Quest, and it's a no-brainer. It's super cheap, and if it doesn't work out for you, you can use it for your headphones or you can use it for another headset. But I'm telling you guys 100%, this double-sided tape, that's all you need. This will relieve the pain, if you get pain, from the front heaviness of this headset. This right here will help you tremendously. I guarantee you that this is an awesome product. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.